Welcome to our new listing in Mountain Meadows, Gusa. This property is just a stone's throw away from the downtown business center, Limkitkai, Century Mall, schools and universities. This property used to be owned by PhilEstate, but has since been acquired by Global Estates Resorts Inc. or Jerry, which is a subsidiary by Megaworld. So we're here at the first house in this subdivision. This sits on a lot area of 265 square meters and has a floor area of 300 square meters. It has 4 rooms, with each room having its own toilet and bath. There's also 1 room on the first floor, and it has a powder room on the first floor as well. It's brand new construction, and it has a 3-car garage. Let's go check out the property. As we walk into the home, immediately to your right are stairs going up to the 2nd floor, and on the left side is the first bedroom. Let's explore that later. And then as you go straight, you will see this open space here, which could be your receiving area or your living space. There's also this extra space under the stairs with a little door, a small door, and some shelves. So you could definitely use this as storage space. And the entire house has a lot of sliding glass doors and windows. We also have jalousie type windows, which are easy to open and close. So the main advantage of jalousie compared to sliding glass doors or windows is that with this one, if you slide it open, then you can only open a portion or half of the window. But with the jalousie type design, you can open up the entire thing, the entire window. So this could really maximize your airflow. So living area over here, and then this space is adjacent to the dining area, which can fit in a 6 to 8 seater dining table. And then the dining is adjacent to this enclosed kitchen. So the layout is a little bit different with our other listings, because for most of our listings we have an open floor plan, but for this design they have an enclosed kitchen design. So if you want more privacy, then this could definitely work for you. The kitchen is a good sized kitchen. It's quite spacious and also has this island here in the middle, which could serve as your prep area, and already comes with this double sink and overhead cabinets on this area. And this space could be for your oven, and there's already a space here for you could easily install your range hood. let's check out the first room here, the bedroom on the first floor. This room already comes with built-in cabinets. There's also open shelving over there, and it also has its own walk-in toilet and bath. Next to the main door, we have this powder room over here for easy access for your guests. Now let's go check out the second floor. Here on the second floor, we have this spacious empty space here, all the way up there as just open space. So you maybe could set up like a midi bar here or a couple of chairs here for you to lounge around. So it's just space that you could play around with. And then this is the master bedroom here on the second floor, which is the biggest room. Again, we have a combination of sliding glass windows and the jalousie type windows here in this room. You could put a king size bed over here. There's enough space to accommodate that. And we already have open shelves for your clothes. And this door leads to your walk-in toilet and bath with an enclosed shower area already. So very convenient because it will keep the water from reaching the rest of your bathroom as it's already enclosed. This is the second bedroom on the second floor. Again, comes with its own cabinetry already. So you just literally have to bring your clothes to move in, or you can add more cabinetry if you need more space for your clothes. space here is the common toilet and bath here on the second floor, with more shelves here for the linens and the towels. And then this is the third room on the second floor. So the two rooms on the second floor have their own ensuite toilet and bath. And this room has its own toilet and bath. So the second room in the middle, the toilet and bath access is just outside, but basically it's still a 1:1 ratio. And then we have this huge balcony right next to this bedroom. So the balcony is quite spacious. You could even enclose it if you want. For more indoor space, you could make it into an extra room or a playroom if you decide to enclose this whole area over here, or maybe put a grill here if you want to do barbecues, or like just chill with your family in the afternoons or at nights. If you like this property and want to check it out in person, then contact me. My contact info is in the description, and as always, I will see you in the next video.